There's a big boat coming through, boy. 5,000 guests. Say goodbye to the land.
There's a cruise ship in front of us. We're gonna go out this way and go that way.
Where's the cruise ship?
We're piggybacking off. We're piggybacking off them in case we break down.
Yeah. Well, the Epic is coming. Look at this beach over here.
What?
This beach over here. That way is South Beach.
That's Miami Beach right there.
Yes.
Right, where's South Beach right
Welcome
Right
to
here.
Miami.
See the white?
Right there.
Yeah. Look how beautiful.
Downtown Miami.
All right, guys, y'all turn around. Let's get a photo.
Carnival Conquest.
What did they call it?
The kiddie pool. Do you think they ever really dropped that
It's
anchor?
not a kiddie pool. It's the
then
people
it looks
that work
for
here's pool.
I mean,
Look
well,
how
I
cool is
Where
that?
do baby cats learn to
Big
swim?
bosses.
The
That's
kiddie
where
pool.
they look at the windshield wiper. Don't do it.